Hello guys. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install a breaker. The one that we're gonna be installing is 100 amps CMN. Is a two pole breaker, so it's a double size. So we're gonna open it and then we're gonna get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the main the power from the box. So in this case it's gonna be this one, which is a 4 pole breaker. So it's a 200 amp breaker. So that will give us that will cut the power on this bus bar. So there's right now there's no power. But if you if for any reason the other one, the box where you're working is it has these ones at the top, you just have to be careful not to touch over here, because over here you still have power on this side. So you gotta be careful, okay? So on this one we're going to connect the already connected the ground. So we're just gonna connect the neutrals, which is this white, which is this one, the white one, and then we're gonna connect these two to these terminals over here with a flat screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. And okay, so the ground, I mean the neutral, we're gonna be installing it. We're gonna be using this see this hole over here. So that's we're gonna use that. We're gonna be using that one, which is very wide enough to for this one to go in, because this one is a number 4. Let's see if this I can cut this one with this. Yeah, so we're gonna remove like 1 inch from insulation. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove these two grounds for now, and then I'll put them back later, so that way I can okay. So right now it's in. We just need to make it to tighten this one. Okay, so that's why it makes it a little bit more harder to do it. So we do it like this. Then we cut it over here. So we cut this one the same length. And we remove like 3/4 of insulation. Make sure don't overpress, because maybe cutting the individual wires. Okay. Now we're going to just test it for I have my Fluke T Pro, and we're just gonna check it for continuity. So we're good. We double check this one too. So no shorting. And over here too, so we're good, no shorting. That's what it does when there's continuity. So we're good. Then we're just gonna go and open these holes over here. Yeah, as I told you before, if you have a different box, yeah, just be careful, because over here on the before the breaker there's power, and you can get I mean, it's dangerous, very dangerous, especially if you touch the two hot ones. This one, make sure you tighten very well, because this is where the if you don't tighten very well, that's where the problems, all the problems starts. And we're good over here. Okay. Same thing, tighten very well, and you're good to go. So after this one, we're just gonna remove the we still have this other wire, but we're gonna put a different breaker which we don't have it, so I'm gonna hold into this one and put it to more. Okay. So we are good for now. I'm gonna turn on the breakers, and which is this one, the 200, and then I'm gonna turn on this one, which is the one that we just installed. That way we can start working on the inside. So yeah, so this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, and please subscribe. Thanks.